Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am super excited to share with you 5 amazing DIY skincare packs that will give you have glowing radiant skin we all dream of. And the best part, you can make this right at home with ingredients you are probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. First pack. Our first DIY pack is a classic favorite, the honey and lemon pack. Honey is a natural mictant that keeps your skin hydrated, while lemon is packed with vitamin C to brighten your skin. All you need is 1 tablespoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix them together, apply it to your face and leave it on 15 minutes before rising up with warm water. Pack 2. Next up, we have the yogurt and turmeric pack. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps you exfoliate your skin, and turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and half a tablespoon of turmeric. Mix them well, apply to your face and leave it for 20 minutes. You will be amazed at how soft and glowing your skin looks. Pack 3. And the next we have the tomato juice, lemon and yogurt. Tomato juice helps to tighten pores and reduce oiliness. Lemon brighten your skin and yogurt provide moisture and exfoliation. Mix 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply this refreshing mixture to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and glowing. Pack 4. Fourth on our list is the banana and honey. Banana are great for moisturizing your skin, and honey we as know is super hydrating. Mash 1 ripe banana and mix it 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Your skin feel so smooth and refreshed. In the last pack 5, we have the cucumber and aloe vera pack. Cucumber cool and hydrated your skin, and aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. Blend half cucumber with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cool water. And there you have it. 5 simple, natural and effective DIY skincare pack for glowing skin. Give them a try and let me know in the comment which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more beauty tips and DIY remedies.